What things are made of? We make things from many different types of materials. Each has its unique qualities. Here are some of the many different materials we use to make things. Some natural, some of our own making, artificial. Cardboard. The box is made of cardboard. Cotton. These balls are fluffy and made of cotton. Felt. I will make a picture out of felt. Clay. This pot is made of clay. Carbon fiber. This bike is made of carbon fiber. It's strong and very light. Copper. The wire is made of copper. Fiberglass. They make their canoes out of fiberglass. Fur. Her coat is so warm, it's made of fur. Brick. This house is made of brick. Glass. This jar is made of glass. Plastic. Our bags and this trash can are made of plastic. Paper. The envelope and paper airplane are made of paper. Gold. These wedding bands are made of gold. Porcelain. This cup is from China. It's made of porcelain. Leather. This belt is made of leather. Silver. This ring is made of pure silver. Iron. They make their chairs from iron. Rubber. These bands are made of rubber. Silk. The sheets on the bed are made of silk, so luxurious. Steel. This sword is made of steel. Marble. The floors in our house are made of Italian marble. Wood. This table is made of wood. Wax. These birthday candles are made of wax. Stone. This old wall was made of stone. Aluminum. Your soda cans are made of aluminum. Styrofoam. The container is made of styrofoam. Asphalt. The highway is made of asphalt. Did we leave out any important material? Let us know in the comments.